Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code is and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step understanding error code of the content error code of it in Grand Theft Auto primarily indicates a failure to connect to the Rockstar Games services with the game's inability to establish an online connection. This error typically arises when attempting to access online and signifies a problem with network communication between your gaming device, PlayStation, Xbox, and the game servers. It is generally not related to corrupted game files, but rather an external connectivity issue preventing the game from authenticating with the necessary online components. Step: check your internet connection and Rockstar server status. Content before proceeding with complex troubleshooting. First, verify the stability of your local internet connection. Ensure your router is functioning correctly by restarting it and confirming other devices can access the internet without issues. Once your local connection is confirmed, visit the official Rockstar Games service status page. Rockstar Games. This page provides real-time updates on the status of all Rockstar services, including online. If the servers are experiencing outages or limited connectivity, you will need to wait for Rockstar to resolve the issue on their end, as any client-side fixes will be ineffective. Step: restart and your gaming platform. Content: a simple yet often effective solution for transient network errors is to perform a full restart. Completely close Grand Theft Auto from your game, Flint, or console dashboard. Then proceed to restart your entire gaming platform, whether it's your PlayStation console or Xbox console. This action refreshes all network connections, clears any temporary cache data, and resolves minor software glitches that might be preventing a stable connection to the game servers. After the system has fully rebooted, launch and attempt to connect to online again. Step: verify network configuration. NAT-type firewall lens. Content: your network configuration plays a crucial role in online connectivity for users. Ensure that these and the Rockstar Games Launcher are all loaded through your Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus firewall software on consoles. Check your network address translation. Type in your network settings. A strict NAT type can severely impede online gameplay. You may need to enable a universal plug and play on your router or manually forward port specific to online. Additionally, consider temporarily changing your servers to public ones like Google's and or Cloudflare Pool, and be able to rule out issues with your instance resolution. Step: update network drivers and verify game files. Content: outdated network drivers on it can lead to connectivity problems. Ensure your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter drivers are up to date by downloading the latest versions from your manufacturer's website. While less common for error code, corrupted game files can occasionally interfere with the game's ability to establish a proper online connection. Verify the integrity of these game files through your respective platform. Use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option on Steam or Epic Games Launcher. The scan and repair function in the Rockstar Games Launcher or the console's game management options to check for and repair any damaged files.